If you're seeing error 1 in Grammarly or Grammarly is crashing during install or startup, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step so you can get Grammarly working again on Windows. This kind of error usually means something in the Windows environment is missing, broken, or blocking the installer from finishing properly. The good news is, in most cases, you can fix it without needing advanced technical skills. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most important fix first. Grammarly often depends on Microsoft Web View 2 to load certain interface elements like desktop widgets and sidebar screens. If Web View 2 is missing or corrupted, Grammarly can crash with an error 1 message. To fix that, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft Web View 2 developer page. Look for the Evergreen Bootstrapper version and download it directly from Microsoft. Once the file finishes downloading, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Windows the permission it needs to install the component properly. Let the installation complete, then restart your computer. A restart is important because it clears out temporary errors and makes sure the new component is fully loaded. If Grammarly still shows error 1 after that, the next step is to clear any leftover installation files. A failed or partial installation can leave behind corrupted files that block a new setup from working correctly. To do this, open File Explorer and type %local app data % into the address bar. Press enter and look for a folder named Grammarly. If you see it, delete the entire folder. This removes old cached files, broken settings, and incomplete installation data that may be causing the crash. After deleting it, empty the recycle bin if needed, then try the Grammarly installer again. Now let's make sure the installer is running with full permissions. Go to your downloads folder and find the GrammarlyInstaller.exe file. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is a very important step because sometimes Windows blocks installers from writing the files they need unless they have elevated permissions. Running it as an administrator can solve the problem instantly if the issue is permission related. If the setup continues, follow the prompts and complete the installation normally. Another thing that can interfere with new installations is Microsoft Edge SmartScreen. Windows security sometimes flags legitimate apps too aggressively, especially during fresh installs. If Grammarly is still crashing, open Windows Security, then go to App and Browser Control. From there, click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. You may need to temporarily turn off SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge while you test the installer. Once it's disabled, run the Grammarly installer again and see if it completes successfully. If it works, you can turn the protection back on afterward for security. At this point, one of these 4 fixes usually solves error 1 for Grammarly. In most cases, the issue is caused by a missing Web View 2 component, leftover broken installation files, blocked permissions, or SmartScreen interference. By going through these steps in order, you're covering the most common causes without wasting time guessing. If Grammarly opens normally after the repair, go ahead and test it by signing in and checking whether the desktop app loads correctly. Try opening a document or browser integration to make sure everything is working as expected. If it launches without crashing, the problem is fixed. If this video helped you resolve the Grammarly error 1 issue, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.